Hi, I'm Sahej Narang. I'm pursuing Masters in Information Systems from the University of Melbourne. Prior to my study here, I worked as a business analyst and a UI developer at Accenture for over 3 years. So I'm here to conduct usability study for Trip and Pick. From what I have gotten to learn from my colleagues here is that Australia attracts a lot of tourists and visitors and travelers all through the year. They actually want to restrict their trip in budgetary terms, bringing the budget down by increasing their income over here by working at casual jobs. Also, fruit picking or working at farms is considered to be a good job of what tourists and visitors can easily get, and through which they can also earn decent amount. However, there are two problem statements in here for the tourists to evaluate and check where jobs are easily available according to their interests. And on the other hand, for the farms and farm owners, so as to get appropriate manpower who are interested in the jobs which are being offered, so as to get them. So these two problem statements is being addressed by Trip and Pick, which is a liaison between the farms and the travelers. So let us proceed. Let me just punch in my credentials that have been provided. I hope I didn't get them wrong. No, I didn't. All right. So here we are at the website. From the first appeal, it looks very intuitive. It is nice. The colors are good as well. All right, so there is one static image with text. All right. FAQ. Okay. All right. So let us check out what the functionality is. Okay, they have the top bar, everything is all right. Okay. Let us see what we have in here. It's a drop down, single drop down. Tell us when you want to travel. All right. Let's say I want to travel in January, February until March. Which year though? Okay. We'll just search. Okay, so I have been provided with a map, and also yes, this is a good option, preferred interests. So let me just filter more. I am so interested in the beaches, so let me search over again. Okay, the Australian map. Graphical representation is always good, so this is a positive thing that has been provided. Okay, so all these are farms apparently. Yes, they are farms with the locations, and also they are provided with ratings. Okay, cool. So this is a very nice feature wherein the travelers can get to know where exactly the farm is and how well they are rated across all the entire nation. Also, let us talk about the scope of improvements in here. Okay. So first of all, let me make some more changes to the search criteria and search. So if you see, it says no data available in table. So thus far it was, even though it was loading some data, it just said no data available. it might it is not a very good thing. You can just say the data is loading, perhaps. All right. So with my interests, I have all these farms in here. Okay. So this is fine as well. However, I would really want to see, in case I click any farm here, it would be nice seeing the rating over here as well. And in case I click over here, the particular row, in case that can get selected as well, that will be good too. Also, in case we can reduce the size of these all the search criterias here, it'll be a little better that way. Okay, rest, this is good. Trip and pick, the entire this thing is good as well. So let me go back to home and let's do critique for this. Okay, first of all, the image quality needs to be addressed just a little. Okay, FAQs. Okay, first page is good. The image is very nice. It is superb, appropriate to travelers, and making it simple for you. Probably a little grammatical error here and here too. Maybe fix this verbiage up, and this is fine, just fine. Okay. Next, let us go to the next page, FAQ. I reckon it should be FAQs for the plural number of frequently asked questions instead of question. Okay, so FAQ or Qs is supposed to have questions, not just information. It is a different way to provide information, but in case we are explicitly mentioning FAQs, it must have questions, frequently asked questions. You can then summarize them or shortlist them or sort them by virtue of their headings or topics of payments, tax, work rights, so on and so forth, in case there are more. Okay, so important information has been provided, so this is good. Just that the format of these you might want to consider to change these. All right, this is cool. On to the next page, about us. Okay, lots of information, that's nice. Our mission, about team members and suggestions. I reckon in case like we can make the format of all the headings same, especially on the same page, it would really be appreciated. These dashes here, we can remove these or add these to rest of the headings. This is a nice representation of the entire team. These are the hard workers behind the website. Okay. On to the last page, search. Okay, this is the same page that without the search results. Okay, it has the search results as well. That's nice too. Okay, let's search by July and August. I'm not very sure whether this functionality should be implemented in such a way, because January we are already in 2018 and it's April. So when we're talking about January, is it the next year in 2019 or is it in 2018 that we are talking about the January month and February months? So in case we can address the months and time in a better way, that will be a little more beneficial. Okay, so Trip and Pick, the logo or the name has the hyperlink to the homepage, so that is nice. So all in all, a very nice website with a little minor details or alterations if done shall be superb. It actually, I travel a lot, and this seems to be of great interest, especially when I'll be looking for jobs. In case I'm provided with all the necessary information later, it'll be of great help and importance. Way to go. Good luck.